Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa, I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club, and today I've got a few bits and pieces to share with you. I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the new May kit. I've also got a scrapbooking layout that I've made using the kit. I've got the add-ons and I've got the planner bits. I've got quite a few bits to show you today. So I'm going to start off with this new Happily Ever After kit. This is our 4th birthday kit now. I can't believe it's been going for 4 years. I did do a little blog post about this kit and the reasoning behind the name of the kit and all that, so I'll link that up for you if you'd like to go and have a little read. I'm going to now go through this kit. As always though, I won't be showing you everything that's in this kit. This is just to give you a little bit of a clue as to what's going to be in it. The kits don't get sent until the 17th of May, so obviously I don't want to give all the surprises away, but it will give you a little taster of what's coming. There's always a zine in the kit. I am still waiting for the zines to come. I'm changing the tissue paper as well, so there'll be slightly different tissue paper in here, but these are the colours for this month. Let's start off with the planner clip. You've got a handmade felt planner clip here, and I've used a Mrs. Brimbles stamp as well. I'll see if I can find the stamp set and link up. It's an older stamp of hers and I really like that. I try with the packaging to use as many things that can be used again. So like the stamps, this can all be peeled off and you can actually use the tag for one of your creative projects. If you're not a planner, by the way, do use these as embellishments. I use them all the time on my scrapbooking layouts or in my traveler's notebooks. They're really fun, or you could always use it as a page marker, a bookmark as well. Mystery gift this month. My husband's actually made the mystery gifts for you this month, just to let you know. In case you haven't seen on social media, I'm collaborating with Daisy from My Green Cat. I can't say it. She used to have Cloudy Cow, and I've just got muddled up with My Green Cow and not My Green Cloud because she never owned My Green Cloud. Ignore me. Daisy from My Green Cow. That's who I'm collaborating with this month, and she has made these super sparkly clips. Aren't they cute? And again, if you aren't a planner, use them as an embellishment. It will be lovely on your scrapbooking pages. We've got a treat bag, which I won't go through with you, but there's generally lots and lots of embellishments and bits and pieces and all that in there. With the stamp sets back this month, you have a 3-piece stamp set from Skull and Crossbuns. Got a crown, a heart and a little bow, which is adorable. Another little treat bag this month. Let's pop that to one side. You've got your heart-shaped lollipop. We've got die cuts. Let's have a quick look. I love the die cuts. They're always my favourite bits. There's also something else actually quite big in this kit which I haven't included because I'm still waiting for them to come, and it's just another surprise. You've got a few bits and pieces there. We've got bows. The idea behind the Happily Ever After, it is a subtle link towards Disney. That's what this month's kit is. Happily Ever After, in case you weren't aware, and if you weren't a Disney fan you wouldn't know this, it's the fireworks show at the end of the day. Whoops. That you stand and watch in front of Cinderella Castle, and it's the Happily Ever After music. They're called Happily Ever After, the fireworks. It's beautiful. It's just, oh, it's just so lovely. I love it so much, and I wanted this kit to be really special because it is a birthday kit. I wanted it to have a really special feel. So for me, there's a subtle hint towards Disney. It's princessy. Whoops, it's beautiful, it's pretty, it's fun. You've got polka dots, you've got all the princessy colours, it's dreamy, it's wishy. That's what it's all about, and that's why you've got all the the hearts and the stars. So if you like Disney, it's a little bit of a Disney kit this month. And then we've got the Mrs. Brimbles stickers, and again, if you're not into Disney, then this kit is still lovely for you because it is a very subtle hint towards Disney. And then we've got the papers. I am so happy with the papers. Rather than unpack it, I've got a set here for you because I didn't want to unpack it because there's some bits in there I didn't want you to see. We've got really lovely papers. Are you liking the thickness of these? They're super thick, aren't they? Really lovely quality. I am so happy. You get one of each design I love the frames. I love them so much. Aren't they fab? And you get free printables if you are a subscriber. And this month, because it's the birthday month and I've just got loads going on this month, you've got some extra printables as well. So that's exciting, isn't it? I'll show you the embellishment postcard. Actually, I've got one sat here. The idea with the embellishment postcard, they're nice and easy and you can cut them up and use them how you wish. Now, if you would like to purchase a one-off kit, I did do a special offer over the weekend for the subscription kits. I will do a one-off kit offer, and if you use this code happilyeverafter, that will give you £3 off this kit right now. I will link that up below so you can go and have a look, and you can grab yourself a lovely bargain. Delivery is free in the UK. So that's the Happily Ever After kit. There is also a planner set to match, and this is an A5 planner set, and I will link this up below for you as well. This is the planner set here. I've added the stickers. Each set comes with a set of stickers, so you can add all your little stickers. You've got ones for your birthday, you've got notes, you've got plans. I use mine for meal planning and a cleaning schedule, but obviously you can use it for however you wish. And they're really, really handy planner sets. You've got a space for goals and important dates. You also get the postcard from the kit and the embellishment postcard as well. And like I said, you get the stickers, and they all come in a nice little pack ready for you to use for the month. And that's just £8.95. And again, UK is free delivery. I wanted to run through the add-ons. There are certain add-ons like the stickers, the die cuts, the stamps that you can purchase extra of. But I've also got some extra add-ons. These are bits that complement the kit. We've got a star stencil here. Really love this star. And you can obviously use this for misting. You can use chalks, paints, inks, however you like, or use it with a pen as a template. We've got a couple of crown pens. Aren't these sparkly? Really, really pleased with those. They're really lovely. We've got some glitter alphabet stickers. 107 stickers there. We've also got some of the Dream Big range from Simple Stories. You can purchase the puffy stickers here. And we've also got the 4x6 stickers here. You've got 8 sheets of stickers, and there's 243 stickers in total. I'll open these up just for you to have a quick look. And everything will be linked below. There you go. Aren't they cute? There's loads in this little pack. I love the colours, and they just complement the kit so nicely. I love all the little word strips. So if you'd like a larger kit, you can just purchase these and they will be sent with your kit. You don't have to have a kit if you would like to purchase any add-ons. However, there will be an invoice after you've placed your order for £1.50 if you're in the UK to cover delivery or to go towards delivery. There's then also the Dream Big, the 12x12 scrapbooking set here. This is the Collector's Essential Kit, and it includes 255 pieces. And I will run through this with you before. I cannot wait to start using mine. And it comes with the puffy stickers that you've just seen. It also comes with die cuts, the bits and pieces. I will give you a quick look, so you can always pause on there if you want, but there's so much in there. 55 pieces in total. It also comes with chipboard stickers, 37 stickers, and you get quite a lot in there. I love that big word dream there. And then it comes with a 12x12 sheet of stickers, and it also comes with papers. And these are all double-sided. They're Simple Stories, so you know they're wonderful quality, and they just complement the kit really nicely. I love the rainbows. These will not be sent with the kit. If you do buy these, I will send them beforehand. And it's £27 for this whole scrapbooking kit, and that includes delivery. It's such a pretty kit. Look at the hearts. I've got little unicorn cats. This one's so sweet. I love that one there. and stripes, little polka dots, and all the words there. I think I might make a mini book actually. It's calling out mini book to me. And I love this kind of thing where you can cut them out and use them. I love the scalloped edges there. And then you've got the elements here. These are the 3x4s. So again, you can cut these out. They're great for using in mini books. And then you've got these ones as well, the 4x4s. With the diagonal stripes. And we've got the stars. And which way up are these? These are the 4x6 elements, which again you can cut out. So everything will be linked below for you to go and find. Lastly, I just thought I'd give you a quick look. It was National Scrapbooking Day over at the weekend, and I made this layout here using the Lollipop Box Club kit, using the polka dot papers. There are going to be DIY instructions in the kit to make the shaker star, and I've just used the stickers. I just thought I would share it with you there, and some of the bunting paper, just to give you a little idea of what you can make with the kit. I really hope you've enjoyed this today. Like I said, all the links are below. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know which is your favourite item that you've seen today in the kit. I would love to know. And I am also, as it's our birthday month, I've got some little gifts going in the kit, some random gifts. So if you are a subscriber, there could be a special little gift inside your kit this month. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this. And do remember to join our Lollipop chat group. It's the link is below. You don't have to have a kit to join in, but it's a really fun place to share all your crafting ideas and get inspiration from other people. And we've always got swaps and journaling challenges and all kinds of things going on. There is a new Happy Mail swap coming up very soon actually, so look out for that as well. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day, and I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye.